To evaluate the improper integral of ln x over x from 1 to infinity, let's first rewrite it as a limit. By definition, this equals the limit of the integral of ln x over x from 1 to b as b goes to infinity. Now we have to worry about evaluating this integral, which can be easily done with u substitution. Notice that the derivative of ln x is 1 over x. So if we let u equal ln x, then we'll have that du equals 1 over x dx, and so the du will take care of the rest of the integrand. Completing that u substitution, and not forgetting to adjust our bounds, we're left with this integral. We have u du, and then if x equals 1, u is equal to 0, so our integral now starts at 0, and if x equals b, then u equals the natural log of b, so our upper bound is now the natural log of b. Now to integrate this, we just use the power rule. Increase the power by 1 up to 2, and then divide by the new power. Hence we have 1/2 u squared, going from 0 to the natural log of b, and we're taking the limit as b goes to infinity. When we plug in 0, the lower bound, this would evaluate to 0. So all we have is the limit as b goes to infinity of the natural log of b squared divided by 2. As b goes to infinity, the natural log of b also goes to infinity, and so certainly the natural log of b squared over 2 will go to infinity as well. Hence, this limit diverges to infinity, and so this integral does not exist. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions, and be sure to check out my Calculus 2 course and Calculus 2 exercises playlists in the description for more. Thanks for watching.